Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've always wanted a professional-grade CRM like Salesforce, but for free and inside Notion, you're in for a treat. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step through building your own CRM system in Notion, using a free template that will save you hours of work and give your workspace a sleek, customizable look. By the end, you'll have your very own client management system ready to organize contacts, track deals, and more, all without expensive software or technical headaches. Let's dive right in. For this demo, we're going to use a free CRM template to get started quickly, and honestly, this is one of the best ways to make sure your CRM looks professional from the get-go. Templates are like pre-built houses. They come with the structure already in place, but you can rearrange the furniture and paint the walls however you like. So, open up Notion and look for that little drop-down arrow in the top left of your workspace. When you click this, you'll see more options appear. This is like finding the secret toolbox that Notion hides for things like creating new pages, importing templates, and more. From here, select Browse Templates. This feature is Notion's version of an app store, but for page designs and workspace setups. If you're not sure where to find the exact CRM you want, don't worry. Just use the search function and type in CRM database. You'll see several results. Some are basic, others look quite advanced. Choose the one that fits your workflow or style. Maybe you prefer something clean and minimal, or maybe you want a more detailed template with pipelines and charts. After you've found your favorite CRM template, click Add. This action brings the template directly into your workspace, kind of like planting a garden bed. Now you can decide what crops to grow. Notion will automatically create the database and structure for you, with sample properties for companies, contacts, deals, and more. Take a moment to look around. You'll see built-in tables, Kanban boards, and probably some demo entries as examples. This part might take a few moments to load, especially if the template is complex, so just give Notion a second. Now, you get to personalize things. Start by adding your own credentials. Think of these as the seeds you'll plant in your CRM garden. Begin entering real data, your clients, partners, deals, projects, or anything else you want to track. For each entry, you can upload creative materials, attach notes, or set reminders for follow-ups. Remember, Notion lets you customize fields. Maybe you need a next contact date, or an industry column that isn't in the original template. Just click the database's property settings, add what you need, and tailor it to fit your business. If you're feeling creative, update colors, icons, or even embed useful widgets like calendars or maps. Personalizing your CRM not only makes it more pleasant to use, but also ensures you're only tracking what matters most to you. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've set up your own Notion CRM, powered by a free professional template and customized to match your exact workflow. Don't worry if it feels a bit overwhelming at first. Most people find new tools tricky until they've used them a few times, and Notion's flexible nature means you can always come back and keep tweaking things as needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want more tips on Notion setups. Be sure to subscribe for more guides just like this. I can't wait to see what you build next.